Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies, and I've got a fantastic tip for you that's all about keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. Did you know that combining lemongrass with vinegar can create a powerful natural insect repellent? Yes, you heard that right. This duo not only smells amazing but is also super effective. First up, lemongrass. This fragrant herb is not just for cooking. Its natural oils are a mosquito's worst nightmare. It's packed with citronella, which is known for its insect-repelling properties. To make our repellent, we'll start by mincing a few stalks of fresh lemongrass. The more finely you chop, the better. Next, we'll take about a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effectiveness of the lemongrass, but also helps preserve our mixture. It's a win-win. Now, let's add our minced lemongrass to the vinegar. Give it a good stir. And for the best results, you should let it sit for at least 24 hours. This allows the flavors and natural properties of the lemongrass to infuse into the vinegar effectively. If you can, letting it sit for up to 48 hours can enhance the potency even further. After 24 hours, strain the mixture into a spray bottle. And voila! You've got your very own natural insect repellent. Just spray it on exposed skin or around your outdoor spaces to keep those mosquitoes away. Plus, it's eco-friendly. No harsh chemicals here, just nature's goodness working for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hacks. Stay bite-free, and see you next time.